All right, so today's trading session, we're gonna start with $500. We're gonna be trading, as I said, on 1 minute expiration. And here is the robot sending us the first message. The UltraPay OTC bot has started searching for the currency pair with the highest payout percentage. As it says, usually it takes around 1 minute. So what we're gonna do is we're simply gonna wait, make sure everything is intact, make sure that you are set at 1 minute expiration time because all your trades are gonna be 1 minute, and make sure that you have the right amount. But as you can see on OTC market, there's a lot of trading assets with above 80%, and the robot will only look through these and find the best situation for you. So this is amazing, and this is already going to make your life much easier, so you won't have to worry about entering a trade that only has like 30% payout. So this is already great for placing martingale trades in case you are looking to double down on your trade, and this robot will also do that automatically. So there it is, we have an asset, United States dollar BRL. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna simply go ahead and find this asset on the list here on the left. So let's go ahead and type United States dollar BRL. And there we have it, 92% payout, as I said, only above 80. And let's place the sell position right now. And there we have it. As you can see, there's around 1 minute between the announcement here and between the trading asset and the signal. There is around 10 to 15 seconds. So you have to be a little bit quick when you're placing trades because this is a 1 minute trade and it's gonna go really fast. But as you can see, the fact that you are only going to be receiving a 92% assets is literally eliminating your low money making potential. Every single trade that you're going to be taking is going to bring you a good return on your investment. And that is exactly what I've been telling every single time. This is very important. Now let's look at the analysis. RSI is moving below 30, and as you can see, we add RSI to our chart and we can see that it is exactly what is going on. The RSI starts to move towards 30, and that is a sign of a downwards trend. And as of course the robot uses this indicator to provide the analysis. And MACD, look at the same. MACD is a negative territory, and we, by the way, make $960 off of this trade and already doubling our trading amount. So this is beautiful. And there we have it. As I said, super simple. The robot does everything that you need. The signal has successfully hit profit. Great job. The analysis was spot on. Trade has performed as expected. And the analysis was indeed spot on. We had the cross in a downwards direction on MACD, which is also a sign of a downwards trend, a short-term trend in this case, because we're trading with 1 minute expiration time. And now the next step is, of course, to wait for the robot to provide us with the next signal. And this is pretty much it. This is the entire process. The robot takes a couple of minutes to set up. So if you want to trade with it, sending a message, and in a couple of minutes, you will be already placing your first trade. And as I say, this robot is not a solution to all trading problems, but this robot will minimize your losses and will increase the payout that you are getting. And also, you always going to be trading on more or less stable charts, which is also really important. So now let's skip to the next trade and let's see which one we're going to be next. I want to make at least 4,000 today, so we're going to see if we can go from 500 to 4,000 and how easy it's going to be. So let's go. All right, and here is our next signal. The robot has started analyzing the chart already, so we are about to receive the asset, the trading asset we're going to be trading on, and we're about to receive the position. So Australian dollar Canadian, there it is. This is what we're going to be trading on. So let's go and type it. Actually, there it is. We can just select it, and we got it. And there it is, a buy position. So let's place buy, and let's add the remaining 460. Let's place 2 of these, going all in. And once again, look at it. RSI is rising steadily, breaking above 30 and heading towards 50, signaling bullish momentum. You can see this is exactly what is going on with RSI. We have RSI with default settings set, and we also have the alligator indicator on the screenshot that we received from the robot, showing that the Joseph alligator started to cross and move in the upwards direction, which is also a sign of an upwards trend. So everything is perfectly aligning for us, and we are looking to make profit here as well. But let's add RSI again here and delete the other one, and you can see here that we have exactly what is the robot telling us. The RSI is rising steadily, and we can see that, and we have 10 seconds and the price is actually going in the direction that we wanted to. So just as simple as that. The robot does all the work for you. You literally don't have to do anything. Here we have all our trade, and we're securing another solid trade for us, and we are already at 1800, so we only have 2000 left to go. Beautiful execution. And once again, let's look for our next trade and let's see if we can get more profit in with this trading robot. But so far we're 2 for 2, and this is super easy. As I said, I didn't do any analysis. We just simply followed the signal from the robot, and this is how it's done. So let's go. All right, we are closing in on the next signal here. The robot has started the analysis a few minutes ago. So there it is. We have United States dollar, Japanese yen. You have to be a little bit fast. As I say, we only have like 10 seconds before the signal comes in, so make sure you set everything. And there we have it. It's a buy position, so let's press buy and enter with all of our amount, 1800. We have the analysis coming in as well for our trading asset for United States dollar, Japanese yen, OTC. We have a screenshot, and RSI rises above 40, signaling the continuation of the bullish phase. So we can see that we entered right at the support level that we have here, and from this point on, the bounce, the confirmation bounce that we needed is happening. But also EMA 20 has crossed above EMA 50, indicating strong upward pressure. And if you add a trend line, actually you can see that we indeed have a trend line that is touching all the highs here. So from this point on, we are expecting a bounce, and that is exactly what is predicted by the robot, and we have a breakout out of this trend line. So this is beautiful execution once again, and the robot once again proved that it's performing the right analysis. So beautiful, and this is putting us at a solid amount of 3.5 thousand in less than 5 minutes of trading. This is what this tool is able to do for you. So if this is something that you want to trade with, if you want to stop trading on low payout, if you want to stop trading with bad analysis, this is the tool that you need to start making solid profits. So let's do one more trade. I think it's gonna put us well over 4,000 if we secure it. So let's not waste any time. We're gonna do like, I don't know, let's do like a 1,000 something. Let's do like $1,000 trade right for the next one, and that should put us 1,300 should be fine. So that should put us over 4,000. That is exactly what we're looking for. So let's wait for the next signal and see which position and which asset we're going to be trading on. All right, we are about to receive the final signal of the trading session. So let's see which asset we're going to be trading on. NGN USD is the asset, and let's go ahead and type it in. And once again, 92% payout. This is what I'm telling you. This robot will pick you the best asset. It's a buy position, so let's not waste any time. Enter it quickly, and once we are seeing immediately, once I zoom out the chart, I see that this analysis is super precise. Look at this. Let's add a horizontal line. We have obviously a level here that we are going to reach for. So we started to see a small correction happening here, and we have another level right below it from which we are going to push. This is actually an area, not just a simple line. So let's zoom it out. Let's put it on the chart here, and you can see that this is our support level that we're gonna bounce off, and this is exactly once again what's going on. The price has corrected itself, hit the level, bounced off, and now we're looking for an upwards move here, as you can see from this bounce. And this is how simple it is. And we could have not performed any analysis here, just left it as it is and secured all the money. But I just want to show you that this robot is actually performing the analysis and is actually showing you the things that are going on the chart. This is why this is extremely valuable tool for any trader that wants to make money in the market. So just like that, and we make another $1,000 of profit, and we are at 4.7 thousand just like that, guys.